Welcome to ENG 264. This room is used for EE 384, Digital Signal Processing Laboratory. EE 384 is required for electrical and computer engineering majors. The space dedicated to this room is approximately 800 square feet and by design accommodates a maximum of 16 students and the course instructor. ENG 264 is a closed classroom with card access. Students enrolled in the course only have access during their class time. Here at the entrance there are signs that inform students about general room policies, including that eating and drinking are not allowed, general information about campus and laboratory emergency procedures, and electrical safety. The lab includes a first aid kit and a fire extinguisher. The Office of Environmental Health and Safety and the ECE lab manager checks and certifies the safety equipment regularly. What are the expected outcomes for EE 384 students? Upon successful completion of the course, it is expected that students will have the ability to manipulate signals and systems, students will understand the basics of discrete time systems, students will be introduced to modern engineering tools, and students will gain a practical understanding of digital systems. The course specifically addresses ABET Outcomes 3, an ability to communicate effectively with a range of audiences, and 6, an ability to develop and conduct appropriate experimentation, analyze and interpret data, and use engineering judgment to draw conclusions. In satisfying Outcome 3, students are required to complete a final project based on concepts covered in class. It is graded using a rubric that addresses, for the presentation, speaking skills, clarity, and attention to the audience, and for the report, technical details, content, and organization. In satisfying Outcome 6, students analyze the magnitude spectrum using the FFT of the data collected using the P410 ultra-wideband radio unit, which is then processed in MATLAB. The course instructor presents concepts and information using the lectern projector. Student work is carried out at the 10 workstations. Each student workstation is equipped with a P410 ultra-wideband radio unit for performing radar experiments. These systems emit a very low power signal of 50 microwatts. The radios are rated for operation as an unlicensed FCC Part 15 device. The computer is loaded with MATLAB Simulink used for processing of signals collected from the UWB radar units, and software for controlling the ultra-wideband radar units. In summary, EE 384 material, classroom equipment, and assignments allow students to obtain hands-on experience of processing digital signals. The students gain a basic understanding of radar systems by working with P410 UWB radar systems. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the ENG 264 laboratory. Please note in the EC Laboratories folder on the Google Drive, there is a summary page that describes the features of the space for your reference.